Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely single story house and a large lot. This house is located on Allerdyce Drive, Kingston. The house consists of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining rooms, spacious veranda, laundry, and helper's quarters. The house sits on over a 1/3 of land and is beautifully landscaped with fruit trees, exotic ornament trees, and a variety of orchids. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 76 million or US $493,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.